Good morning, everyone. As you can see, I have a package, and this was sent to me from Marva at MarvelousArtzy, and I want to apologize to her because it was delivered Thursday, and I've been so busy. We didn't check the mailbox Thursday, and I've been so busy with trying to get out my 25 Days of Christmas series and having other things that had to be done. And I did not even think about checking until I was watching her video last night that she put out yesterday. And I thought, oh no, I didn't check the tracking number. So I checked it, and it said that it had been delivered, and it was after midnight, December 9th, which would have been early this morning before I pulled it out of the mailbox. And I've been waiting to open it. I know what she sent me as far as what she told me she was going to send me. So let's see what's in the package. Oh, I see sparkly. Oh, Marva. Oh, this is awesome. Look at all those colors. And this is different types of glitters from a glitter nail kit. Marva, I love that. Yep, she likes her sparklies, and so do I. Oh, this is a little tree jar. She poured this, well, I'm not sure when she poured it. One day this week, I think. I don't quite remember. But this is a cute little tree. And you have to be careful with how this gets filled. Hers didn't get filled all the way. But she said if it had been, it would have been a bear to try to get this done. So, but this is a cute little tree jar. Now I got glitter all over me. Oh, look at it. I'm sparkly. Yep, it is showing up. Oh, Marva. Thank you. I did not have any of this gold leafing or silver leafing or copper leafing or flakes or whatever that's called. Oh, this is Nick Pro. Thank you, Marva. Look at that yellow. That is vivid. Those are some pretty colors. And then this is the little snowman, snow person. And she called hers Jimmy and Jenny. So this will have to be poured soon. So that's what she sent me. She sent me some glitter everywhere. She sent me the snowman mold, which is actually, it's a snowman jar. And she sent me the Christmas tree jar, some nail glitters, and some awesome mica powders and flakes that I did not have. Ooh, look at that purple. These are pretty. I like that color. Thank you, Marva. I definitely will be pouring this one for sure. I definitely want to do the snowman. So, thank you so much. I appreciate everything that you sent me. These are some vivid colors. And these nail art glitters, awesome. Thank you so much. Y'all have a wonderful Saturday. And I've got things I need to get done. I will catch you all later. If you don't know who Marva is, but I'm sure you do. But if you don't, go check out her channel. The link will be in the description below if you need the link. And I will catch you all later. Have a wonderful day, night, evening, whenever you are watching, wherever you are watching from. I will see you on the next video. Bye.